Welcome to Fix My Computer Fort Myers. Are you facing computer issues in Fort Myers? We're here to help. Whether it's a slow computer, virus, or hardware failure, our experts can fix it all. Trust us with your repairs. We offer convenient on-site repair services. Our technicians come to your home or office in Fort Myers, saving you time. Wondering about the cost of fixing your computer? We offer competitive rates with no hidden fees. Get quality service affordably. We repair virus infections, hardware issues, data recovery, slow performance, and more. Whatever the problem, we have the solution. We know your time is valuable. That's why we offer fast turnaround times for all repairs, ensuring minimal disruption. We service all brands and models, including Dell, HP, and Apple. No matter the issue, we've got you covered. Don't let computer problems slow you down. Call 239-382-7247 or visit fixmycomputerfortmyersfl.com today for a free quote. Check out fixmycomputerfortmyersfl.com for more details on our services, pricing, and special offers.